What's up, YouTube? The Bearded Outdoorsman, your guide to all things gear and beards. Today we're going to take a look at an oil from the Bearded Fox Co. So stay tuned. Today we're going to take a look at an oil from the Bearded Fox Co. Now I purchased this oil, wasn't sure which one to do, picked based on scent profile which one I wanted to give a try, and I picked Drunk Grandpa. Alright, so we're going to go into this. I've been using it for about 2 weeks now, and so we're going to go into it. According to their website, the Bearded Fox Co. started out of need. Like most of our smaller companies start out of need. They get tired of paying overpriced oils and balms and decide they can make something just as good. So that's where this came from. Alright, so that's kind of where the Bearded Fox originated. Now, the logo is pretty awesome. Alright, so on the logo, each one of their logos is the same here. That's their Bearded Fox. It has the name of the oil. This is the scent. The Drunk Grandpa, I don't think it'll focus in that small, but Drunk Grandpa is cherry tobacco and fine whiskey. Alright, so in each one of theirs has a different color right here. Now this is a 1 ounce bottle, glass amber bottle. One thing I wasn't a fan of is this back label. It's just a lot going on here with ingredients kind of in gray and directions in gray behind this print. Makes it really hard to read, but overall it's still good labels and good product. Now, just a standard dropper top, and the oil is a very, I'm going to say, a light to medium consistency, and it's a little bit of a yellow tint to it. Okay, so the scent profile, according to their website, the scent for Drunk Grandpa beard oil is a nod to when I was growing up. My Saturday tradition was to go fishing with my grandpa. It was just me and him, thus allowing him to partake in his 2 vices, sips of whiskey and his cherry pipe tobacco. Imagine the smell of that day, minus the fishiness, of course. Alright, so the scent out of bottle is very strong cherry. It's a good cherry scent. I don't get the tobacco. I don't get the whiskey. I get just the cherry. And it is a good sweet cherry aroma. It is really good. Now, the thing about this oil, along with every other beard oil, is you're going to get a different scent when you apply heat and apply it to your beard. So straight out of bottle, I get that cherry. But when you apply heat to it and you rub it in, getting it ready to put in your beard, that's when those whiskey undertones, that little faint of tobacco, but that whiskey comes up. And then when you put it in beard, that sweetness, it kind of goes away. That sweetness is kind of, to me, just in bottle. But that sweetness goes away and you get that whiskey, that little hint of tobacco, and it kind of just calms it down, and it's really good. So, alright, so pricing. On their website, their 1 ounce bottles sell for $13. Alright, they also have matching balms. Those come in a 2 ounce tin, and they sell for $17. They have, I believe it's about 6 different scents that they have, each one with a really cool name. I think they knocked the name part of it out of the park when they came up with the names. And really good product. Now, it has a light, I'm going to say a very light hold. It's not really a bunch of hold property to it. but it's really good. Okay, so their ingredients they list in scientific terms. They also list their scientific names on the website. So I had to do some research. I had to look up each one of them. So their ingredients for this particular oil, I don't know if it's the same for all of them, but for this particular oil is coconut oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, aloe vera, vitamin E, essential oils, and some fragrance oils. So that is what is in this bottle. Now, again, I don't know if that's the same ingredients they use for everything. The only one I have is Drunk Grandpa. Highly recommend Drunk Grandpa. When I first opened it, I got that sweet. I'm not a big fan of sweet beard oils and beard products. So I was a little bit leery when I first opened it up and got that sweet smell. But then when I put it in beard, it's one of those smells that is just amazing. I think the scent for me lasted about 6 to 7 hours, and that was, it kind of got a little subtle and like a little bit of a breeze or something like that. I could smell it again, but it was really good, lasting scent for what it was. So this is definitely one of those that I will be using on a regular basis. I'm probably going to have to pick up the matching balm so I don't have to mix this one because it's really good by itself. Alright guys, if you are new to my channel, thank you for watching. Please consider hitting that subscribe button and hit that little bell so you get notified when I drop new content. And if you are a returning viewer, thank you for watching, thank you for coming back, and thank you for subscribing. And as always, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.